Hello everyone! In this video, we'll show you how to instantly export your MockFlow wireframes as native Figma designs, all in under 2 minutes. We have already created a website wireframe in the editor. Click on the wireframe, then select Export, and choose Export to Figma. Enable the Include Images toggle for images to also be exported. Then click Start Export. The wireframe data will be copied automatically to your clipboard. Next, click Open Figma. If the MockFlow Figma plugin is not installed, click Install Plugin. Open your Figma project. Right-click and go to Plugins, and select MockFlow to launch the plugin. Now paste the copied wireframe data into the plugin. Within seconds, your MockFlow wireframe will appear inside Figma as an editable design, allowing you to refine your UI design further with Figma. Try it out, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more MockFlow Wireframe Pro tutorials.